Hello, students. Hope you all are safe and doing your assignments regularly. Today, we are starting our next topic, that is computer arithmetic, which involves four further topics, that is binary addition, binary subtraction, binary multiplication, and binary division. But students, you have to cover these two topics only. You are not supposed to these binary multiplication and binary division. You have to do only these two topics, binary addition and binary subtraction. Today we are doing binary addition and subtraction both. Now binary addition. Since computer can understand only these two digits, that is 0 and 1, so addition and subtraction both will be of these two digits. Either both will be 0, or one is 0 and other is 1, or both are 1, or one is 1 and other is 0. So first case, when both are 0, when A is 0, B is 0, then 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. Next case, when A is 0, B is 1, then 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. You all know this very well. When another A is 1, B is 0, then 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Another case, when A is 1, B is 1, then 1 plus 1 is not equal to 2, because 2 is not allowed in binary arithmetic, in computer arithmetic. That is why 1 plus 1 equals to 10. Yes, students, 1 plus 1 is equal to 10, from which 0 will be written and 1 will become carry and will be shifted to the next place, as in your maths too. So take an example, 100 plus 1111. In the paper, question related to binary addition will be like this. So first of all, for the solution, you will write the statement as written over here. Then you will write the first number, 1000. Then you will write the another number. This 111 will you have to add in this number. Then you will write this number starting from the right side and then add them. Put plus sign and then add them. 0 plus 1, 1. 0 plus 1, 1. 0 plus 1, 1. And 1 plus 1 equals to 10. Then you will write here 1 plus 1, 10, and then you will write the answer like this and put the base. Necessarily put the base. Take another example. 1, 1, 1, 1. Write the digits after putting some gap. Then 1011. Here are 5 digits, but here are 4. So start writing the second number from the right side. 1, 1, 0, 1. Add plus sign. 1 plus 1, 10. Now you will write 0 here and 1 will be the carry. Now 1 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. Look here, 10 plus 1. 0 plus 1, 1, 1, 1. Is it clear? So 1 plus 1, 10. 1 will be the carry. 1 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 1 will be written here and 1 will be the carry again. 1 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 0, 10. So 0 will be written over here and 1 will be the carry. 1 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. And 1 will be the carry again. 1 plus 1, 10. You can write here 0 also. If you want to write, then you can write. Then right answer 101010. So students, in the binary addition, nothing is complicated. Just 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. This is very simple. Then 1 plus 1 equals to 10, not 2. Is it clear? Now, next topic is our binary subtraction. This is also very simple. Only one case will be different from your simple mathematics. Here also I have taken two variables a, b, and a minus b equals to c. So first of all, when a is 0, b is 0. Then 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. Another case, when a is 1, b is 0, then 1 minus 0, you know very well, 1. When a is 1, b is 1, then 1 minus 1, 0. When a is 0, b is 1, then 0 minus 1. This is not possible. You know very well that 0 minus 1 is not possible, but in binary subtraction, this 0 minus 1 is equal to 1. Yes, students, 0 minus 1 equal to 1. This is the case. This is the case, yes, this is a special case which is taking one borrow from the next place. In binary addition, we are considering the carry. In the binary subtraction, we are considering the borrow case. Let's take an example, 1111 minus 1010. So first of all, write the statement like this. Then you will write the first number. Then another number starting from the right side, that is 0, 1, 0, 1. Then put minus sign and start subtraction. 1 minus 0, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 1 minus 0, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. This is a very simple case because that was limited to the above 3 points. First, second, third, fourth. First, second, third, these are very simple, and this was the example which was limited to the above 3 steps, that is 0 minus 0 is equal to 0, 1 minus 0 is equal to 1, 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So you will write the answer like this. Is it fine? Then next, another example, 1, 1, 0, 0. First of all, you will write the statement like this. You will get in your paper like this, and you will also write like this. Then write the first number, then second number, starting from the right side. 2 places are vacant. Here you can place 0. Now minus sign. 0 minus 1, that is 1. You will write, but for making 0 minus 1, 1, you will take borrow from the next place. But here again is 0. Then another place, here is 1. So we will take borrow, we will make it 0. In the paper you will also make it 0 like this. 0, this will be 1. So 0 minus 1, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 1 minus 0, 1. And the answer you will write like this.